Samsung has had a fairly consistent design for its premium S series, though every year there are tweaks that try to improve looks and ergonomics. They've had varying success. The Galaxy S Ultra in particular has settled on a rectangular design whose sharp corners look stylish but really tend to dig into your palm. The Galaxy S24 Ultra may be the worst in that regard. Here's a 3D view next to the S23 Ultra. Samsung may finally be changing course and going for a rounded design. Famed leaker and outspoken Samsung critic Ice Universe has shared these mock-ups of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's right, the corners are no longer palm-piercing 90 angles. For a while now, Ice has been saying that the S25 Ultra design will move closer to the S24 and S24 Plus. This means a at least flatter front and back. There might be some asymmetry there. The back might remain more rounded than the front, giving the phone a softer shape that would be more pleasant to hold. Here are some hypothetical comparisons with the current Galaxy S24 Ultra and the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max. The new S flagship has rounded corners, both on the frame and on the display, and it is quite noticeable next to its predecessor. Next to the iPhone, however, the new Ultra still looks quite rectangular.